Adding a scheduled task. In order to add a scheduled task, you'll first need to access the Scheduled Tasks folder, which is available in Start, More Programs, Accessories, System Tools, and Scheduled Tasks. And you'll see in the folder that you have an Add Scheduled Task wizard. If you double-click the wizard and click Next on the welcome screen, you'll see a list of different applications that you can use in order to schedule a task. For example, you see a number of applications installed on my system, and some of the more common ones that you're likely to want to use are things such as Synchronization, Utility Manager, and possibly some different tasks such as error checking and disk cleanup, for example. And I'll select a task that I want to configure and click Next. I can give the task a name as I wish, and then I choose between daily, weekly, monthly, one time only, when my computer starts, or when I log on. Now, depending on your option, for example, if you choose a monthly task, you click Next. You'll also need to configure some additional time factors, for example, the start time, the day, and the day of the months that you want to use. If you go back and you choose, for example, a weekly task, then your options, of course, are different. So simply make the selections that you need to make and click Next. And you'll need to enter your username and password if one is configured. Click Next. And you can then click Finish and the task will be added. If you'd like to see the advanced properties, just click Finish. And this will open the property sheets for the tasks. And you'll see that the Task tab and the Schedule tab contain the same settings that you configured in the wizard. If you like to, however, you can click the Settings tab and you can make some additional changes. You can choose to delete the task once it is scheduled so that it doesn't run again. Stop the task if it runs for too many hours. 72 is the default. On idle time, you can choose to start the task only if the computer's been idle for at least a certain period of time. And you can stop the task if the computer ceases to be idle. Under Power Management, you can also choose not to start the task if the computer is running on batteries or if battery mode begins during the task. And of course, this feature is helpful for laptop computers. Once you're done, click OK, and you'll see the new task appear in the Scheduled Tasks folder.